Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup SharePoint documents to OneDrive step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to your SharePoint site. Log in using your organizational credentials if prompted. Locate the document library that contains the files you wish to backup. Select the documents you want to backup by clicking the checkbox next to each file. If you want to backup the entire library, click on the checkbox at the top of the list to select all. Once your files are selected, look for the download option in the toolbar. Click Download to start downloading the selected documents to your computer. Navigate to your OneDrive by opening a new tab in your web browser and going to the OneDrive website. Log in with the same organizational credentials you used for SharePoint. Once in OneDrive, select the folder where you want to store the backed up documents. If you need a new folder, click the New button and select Folder to create one. After selecting or creating your folder, click the Upload button in OneDrive. Choose Files from the Upload options. Browse to the location on your computer where the downloaded SharePoint documents are stored. Select the files you want to upload and click Open. Your files will begin uploading to OneDrive. Monitor the upload progress to ensure all documents are successfully uploaded. Once the uploads are complete, confirm that your files appear in the chosen OneDrive folder. To verify, click on the folder where you uploaded the documents and check that all files are present. You have now successfully backed up your SharePoint documents to OneDrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.